Now we're going to start with the topic of determination of the range, that is continued topic as we have discussed in the and studied in the university. Uh, that is for the Maitland constant we have described in the previous topic. Now for describing determination of the range we were studying in the for the binding in the solids. The range of repulsive interaction rho can be expressed in terms of bulk modulus B of the crystal, which is defined as B is equal to minus dp over dV divided by V. Bulk modulus defined as the ratio of the infinitesimal pressure increase to the resulting relative decrease of the volume, where dP is a small change in the pressure required to produce the volumetric strain dV over d. Considering the adiabatic compression such that assuming no heat is exchanged with the surroundings and applying the first law of the change in energy associated with the decrease in volume dV is given by du is equal to minus p dV. From here du over dV is equal to minus p, and differentiating with respect to dP divided by dV is equal to minus d square u over dV square. Then from equation A we get V is equal to V into d square u over dV square, and we know that du over dv is equal to du over dr into dr over dv, using the using the chain rule, and differentiating it we get d square u over dv square is equal to d over dv into du over dr into dr over dv, and applying this rule on the second term plus du over dr into dv over d over dv into dr over dv, differentiating the result of equation E, d square u over dv square is equal to d square u over dr square into dr over dv whole square plus du over dr into d square r over dv square. Since at equilibrium d is u over d, then the second term in the equation C vanishes. That gives the equation D for r is equal to r naught. Then equation B becomes, by using the equation D, V is equal to V into d square u over dr square into dr over v dr over dv into d over dv whole square is the equation B. For the B bulk modulus for r is equal to r naught, that in NaCl crystal, the lattice parameter A is equal to 2R. Volume of the unit cell containing 4 molecules of the NaCl is equal to AR cube. Therefore, the volume occupied by n molecules of NaCl is V is equal to 2R 2nr cube, which gives, after differentiation with respect to r, equation G, that is dV over dr is equal to 6nr square. Substituting this equation in value in equation E, we get V is equal to 2nr naught cube into 1 over 36 n square r naught power 4 into d square u over dr square. Limit is applied with r is equal to r naught. That gives for the equation A. From equation u total is equal to nui is equal to nui is equal to the equation we proved before. We get this equation, which on differentiating gives the equation written here d square u total over dr square, and substituting this we get b is for the equation of bulk modulus b is equal to 1 over 18 n r naught into nz lambda over rho square into exponential minus r over rho minus 2n alpha q square over r naught cube. Using equation exponential minus r naught over rho is equal to rho alpha q square over z lambda r naught square, which becomes the below equation. That gives, by solving the equation we get the equation I. The equation can be used to determine rho using the observed values of r naught and v. The cohesive as well as the lattice energies can be determined using, for u total is equal to nui, and substituting the values we get the last equation u total is equal to minus n alpha q square over r naught into 1 minus rho over r naught. Binding energy of crystals of the inert gases, we will describe that for the Lennard-Jones potential. We are going to describe in further in the next topics in next lecture. As we know that the molecular crystals of the inert gases have low melting points and are transparent. The atoms of the inert gases crystals have their outermost shells completely filled and thus have very little tendency to gain gain, lose, or even share the valence electrons with the neighboring atoms. Due to completely filled shells, these atoms have spherically symmetric electronic charge distribution. Hence, these gases except helium and helium-4, helium-3 and helium-4 usually form FCC crystal in the solid state. Consider a molecular crystal consisting. If Uij represents the interaction energy between the atoms I and J and the crystal, then the cohesive energy of the ith atom is given by Ui is equal to summation J dash Uij, that is equation A, and the cohesive energy of the crystal is given by the equation B. The factor n over 2 is used instead of n to represent the number of distinct Ij atomic pairs which contribute to the interaction energy. The prime summation equation A and B indicates that the summation includes all the atoms except with those with the J is equal to I. As in the case of ionic crystal, the interaction energy Uij of molecular crystal is due to the following two types of interactions: van der Waals interactions or the London interactions, and repulsive interactions. Here are some references. There is the reference book from which you can help get any help if there is needed. Thank you.